Mix the cream cheese with the dulce de leche or Nutella in a bowl until a consistent color is achieved. Moisten the cookies in the milk to soften them, and put them on the tray in rows. When one layer is complete, we put the mixture on top and distribute until all the cookies are covered. Place another layer of cookies, previously moistened in milk, and another layer of the mixture. Repeat the process until you have 3 or 4 layers of cookies, for which you will need between 30 and 40 cookies. Once the last layer is placed, it is covered with the mixture, and on the sides too. Finally, put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours and ready to eat.